Hello everyone, it's Francis with Your Book of Memories. I am so unbelievably excited to share this super multifunctional and unique design with you. This time I actually used Flora by Carta. This paper collection was given to me by my really super special friend, Peggy. We actually got to meet each other at the in-person live YBM class here where I live, and it was such a blast. So Peggy, I cannot wait to use the rest of the papers, and I just love it. So this is actually a frame completely using mini album techniques and everything. Shane, my partner, actually designed this to be able to hang on the wall. So he had a blast putting this together. He put incredible engineering into this design, and right here on the front, we've got a slide and stopper up and down, left and right. Is that cool or what? I mean, they go in and out. You can attach any kind of little banners or different little pieces from the paper collection that you want. And this slides in. And so these are 4x6 photo spaces and 5x7 photo spaces. I ended up cutting out my own little banner shapes here and a cute little flower from the paper collection. It was incredible. And you probably think that's all, but this is a magnetic closure that completely comes off. More 5x7 photo space here. You can even orient this the other way too to get like vertical style pictures on here. And this is a little hidden door and more picture space. So we got a 4x6 here, and you can tuck any kind of goodies that you want. I've got like a cute little tag, some cut aparts from the paper collection just for you, my dear friend, and some more little picture spots too if you wanted to just mount photos on there. And so these just slip inside here. I had an absolute blast teaching this. Shane was the designer for this one, and I had the honor to teach it. So if you wanted to learn how to make this, this is actually the design that he used for his incredible fall album. So this whole interaction you see here, this was on the very front of his book. So this can be made individually, this little pull box, and incorporated into any folio or mini album project that you want. If you wanted to learn to make this, I'll leave the entire class down in the description for you. So this is built in such a specific way, so the stoppers just have their own mechanism going on. I mean, it's smooth, it's satisfying, it's gorgeous, and Shane did an incredible job. I can't even say enough good things about this. And we have the availability to actually still hang it on the wall so that this can be placed on the wall. So it was an incredibly fun project to put together. I can see this with baby paper, wedding paper, anything. We can add any kind of little pull tab accents here. Endless things that you can do. And I want to thank you again so much, Peggy, for giving me this paper collection. I had so much fun with it, and I'm super excited to teach this one to you. Thank you everyone so much for joining me, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.